everyone. Today we are going to make a project on Scratch called Dancing Letters. So let us go and write the name Dancing Letters. Now go to choose a backdrop. There you can see there are many backdrops. I am going to patterns. You can add any backdrop you like. But I am adding hearts, purple. Okay, go to choose a sprite. Okay, now go to letters. This project is about making a word and making them spin, change colors, and many more. See, I am adding glow. You can add story, glow, or block, but I am adding glow. So now I will make a name. I will keep S. Again go to letters. Bring G. T. And now U. 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 Now let us bring D. No, not B. 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 Not B. Now let's bring D. Now again I. Again letters O. S. O. Now go and bring S. Okay, now it's good. Let's see the costumes. Color. Okay, good. Now let's go to events and bring when flatlet. Go to control forever and then go to sound. You can see there's only pop, but we have to make a new sound. You can add any sound you want, but I am adding dance magic. Okay, good. Now drag play dance magic until done. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay. Now again copy these clubs. Do when flatten. Duplicate. Okay. Now go to motion, add turn 15 degree and change color effect to change and color effect by 25. Now let's see if it works. It works. Okay. Now we want to slow it down. Okay. Now, if you want to make it slower, go to control, wait 1 second, instead of 1 second, 0.5. It's moving very slow. That's why I don't add. Wait 2 seconds. Okay, delete that and keep these in every block. Let's see if it is. I still get this. Okay, now. Okay, keep this in T. Did glow? Oh, did not get. So give it to every letter. Okay, give it to D also. Now give it to I. Now give it to S. Okay, let's see if it works. It works perfectly, guys. Now, thank you for seeing this video. Now, good. See you in the next video. Bye bye.